Emma, I'm really starving. I skipped lunch today. My stomach is completely empty.
Oh no, that's not good. I'm hungry too, honestly. Hey, see that place over there? There's a fast food place just across the road. Want to grab something to eat?
Fast food? I love it. It's fast and delicious. But actually, I'm a bit concerned about something.
Concerned? About what?
Well, I don't really know how to request food in English. Every time I try, I get really anxious. I never know the right words.
Oh, I get it. But don't worry. Ordering fast food in English is actually pretty simple. The phrases are short and the vocabulary is basic.
Really? That's a relief. Can you show me? Could you help me practice before we go inside?
Of course. Let's learn fast food English together today. I'll explain everything you need to know.
All right. First, teach me some key words.
The word order means to ask for food at a restaurant. When you tell the worker what you want, you're ordering.
Order. Got it. So order means to ask for food. What about menu?
The menu is the list of meals and drinks you can pick from. At a fast food place, the menu is usually on the wall behind the counter.
Okay, I understand. Order and menu. Let's head inside.
Great. Don't be nervous. I'll stay right next to you.
Okay, Mike, look up there. That big sign on the wall is the menu. Can you see it?
Yes, I see it. Wow, there are so many options. I have no idea what to pick.
No problem. Let me explain the basic items one by one. First, burger. A burger is meat between two slices of bread. The bread is called a bun. You know burgers, right?
Of course, I love burgers. They're my favorite fast food.
Good. Next is fries. Fries are sliced potatoes fried in hot oil. In America, people say fries or French fries. They're very popular.
Fries. Okay, I like fries too. Salty and tasty. What else is on the menu?
There's also chicken. You can get a chicken sandwich or chicken nuggets. Nuggets are small pieces of chicken. And then there's salad, fresh vegetables. Some people choose salad because it's healthier.
Burger, fries, chicken, salad. Got it. Hey Emma, I see the word combo on the menu. What does combo mean? I've never heard that before.
Oh, good question. A combo is a set. You get several items together for a single price. Usually a combo includes 3 things: a burger, fries, and a drink. It's often cheaper than buying each item separately.
So a combo is a burger, fries, and a drink together. That sounds like a good deal.
Yes, exactly. And one more important thing. You can pick the size of your combo. There are 3 sizes: small, the smallest; large, the biggest; and medium, in between.
Small, medium, large. I understand. I think I'll get a burger combo. I want the medium size.
That's a great choice. Ready to go to the counter and order?
I'm still a bit nervous. What should I say when I reach the counter?
It's very simple. First, the worker will ask, "May I take your order?" That means, "What would you like to eat?" Then you just say, "Can I get a burger combo?" That's it. Just tell them what you want.
Can I get a burger combo? Okay, I can do this. Let's go.
Hello. Welcome. May I take your order?
Hi, yes please. Can I get a burger combo?
Sure. A burger combo. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
Medium please.
Okay, a medium burger combo. And what would you like to drink? We have Coke, Sprite, orange juice, iced tea, and lemonade. Let me think. Can I get a Coke, please? Of course. So that's a medium burger combo with a Coke. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. All right. Please wait over there. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes. Okay, thank you very much. Hi there. What can I get for you today? Hi, can I get a chicken sandwich, please? Of course. Would you like just the sandwich, or would you like to make it a combo?
Just the sandwich is fine, thank you. But can I also add a side of fries?
Sure, no problem. What size fries would you like?
Small fries, please.
Okay, small fries. And would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I just get a water?
Sure thing. So that's a chicken sandwich, small fries, and a water. Is that everything for you?
Yes, that's everything. Thank you.
Okay, and is this for here or to go?
For here, please. We'll eat here.
Great, your total comes to $8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you very much, and here's your receipt. Please keep it. Your food will be ready in just a moment.
Thank you.
Emma, I did it. I actually ordered food in English all by myself. I can't believe it. I'm so happy.
You did a really great job, Mike. I'm proud of you. See, I told you fast food English is easy. The sentences are short and the words are simple to remember.
Yes, it was much easier than I expected. I was worried for nothing. Oh, this burger is really good. Juicy and tasty.
I'm glad you like it. Hey, let me teach you some more useful words while we eat. Look at this. Do you know what this paper thing is called in English?
Is it a tissue?
Close, but not exactly. In English, we call this a napkin. You use a napkin to wipe your hands and mouth while eating.
Napkin. Okay, I'll remember that. Napkin, not tissue.
Right. And do you see this red bottle? This is ketchup. It's a red tomato-based sauce, sweet and a little sour. You put ketchup on your fries or burger. It makes everything taste better.
Ketchup. I know that word. I use ketchup a lot back home too. And Emma, what do you call this flat thing that our food is sitting on?
Ah, good question. This is called a tray. When you order at a fast food place, your food comes on a tray. You carry the tray to your table.
Tray. That's easy to remember. And what about that piece of paper the worker gave us? Is that called a receipt?
Yes, exactly. A receipt is the paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. You should keep it in case there's an issue with your order.
Got it. Napkin, ketchup, tray, receipt. I'm learning a lot today.
You really are. Hey, how are your fries? You haven't tried them with ketchup yet.
They're really good. I love fries so much. I think fries are my favorite thing about fast food.
You should definitely try them with ketchup. Just put a little on your fries. Trust me, it's the best way to eat fries.
Okay, let me try. Oh, wow, you're right. This is so much better. Ketchup and fries are a perfect match.
I told you, everyone loves fries with ketchup.
Emma, I finished all my ketchup. I want more for my fries. But how do I ask for more in English? What should I say to the worker?
That's a great question. It's very easy. You can say, "Can I get more ketchup?" Listen again. Can I get more ketchup? Now you try.
Can I get more ketchup?
Perfect. That was great. And here's another useful phrase. If you need one more napkin, you say, "Can I have another napkin?" Listen, can I have another napkin? Can you say that?
Can I have another napkin?
Excellent. You sound very natural. So there are two patterns. First, can I get more for when you want more of something? More ketchup, more water, more fries. Second, can I have another for when you want one more of something? Another napkin, another cup, another bag.
Oh, I see. So, can I get more is for things like ketchup and water, and can I have another is for things like napkins. That makes sense.
Exactly. You understand perfectly. Let me test you. How would you ask for more fries?
Can I get more fries?
Great. And how about one more napkin?
Can I have another napkin?
Perfect. You're doing so well. These phrases are really useful. You can use them at any restaurant, not just fast food.
That's great to know. This is really fun. I feel much more confident now.
That's the spirit. You should feel confident. You're learning so fast.
That was so delicious. Thank you so much for teaching me today, Emma. I learned a lot of new words and phrases.
You're welcome, Mike. You did a really great job today. I'm impressed. Okay, before we go home, let's do a quick review. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's do it.
First question. What does order mean?
Order means to ask for food at a restaurant. When you tell the worker what you want to eat, that's ordering.
That's right.
Perfect. Next, what is a combo?
A combo is a set. You get a burger, fries, and a drink together for one price.
Excellent. You remembered that perfectly. Okay, what are fries?
Fries are pieces of potato cooked in hot oil, and they taste amazing with ketchup.
That's right. You really do love ketchup now. Okay, what is a drink?
A drink is something you drink, like Coke, water, orange juice, or a lemonade.
Good. Now, this is very important. What does for here mean?
For here means you eat at the restaurant. You sit down and eat inside.
Perfect. And what about to go?
To go means you take the food with you, either home or somewhere else.
Wow, Mike, that's perfect. You remembered every single word. I'm really proud of you.
Thanks, Emma. Today was really fun. I feel like I can order food in English now. I'm not nervous anymore.
That's wonderful to hear. And you know what? Next time, let's go to a cafe together. I'll teach you cafe English, how to order coffee, tea, and other drinks. There are lots of fun words to learn there, too.
Cafe English? That sounds amazing. I love coffee, so I really want to learn cafe English as well. I can't wait for next time.
Me too. It's going to be great. Okay, see you next time, Mike.
See you next time, Emma. Thank you again for everything today. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, Mike. Are you ready for our next lesson? Today we're going to a cafe.
Hi, Emma. Yes, I'm excited. I love coffee, but I don't know how to order it in English.
Don't worry, it's very similar to fast food. First, let's learn some key words. Espresso is strong black coffee. Latte is coffee with hot milk. Cappuccino has milk foam on top.
Espresso, latte, cappuccino. Okay, what about tea?
Good question. You can say black tea, green tea, or herbal tea. And if you want milk, say with milk.
That sounds easy.
Let's go inside. Hello, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
That'll be $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your drink will be ready in a moment. Emma, I did it again. You're becoming a pro. See? English is everywhere, and you can handle it.
Next stop, the grocery store. Do you need to buy anything?
Yes, I need some milk, bread, and eggs, but I don't know how to ask where things are.
Very simple. Just find an employee and say, "Excuse me, where can I find?" Then say the item.
Excuse me, where can I find milk?
Perfect. Let's try. Inside the grocery store.
Mike, to a worker. Excuse me, where can I find milk?
Worker. Sure. It's in aisle 3, on the left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Great job. And when you pay, the cashier will ask, "Did you find everything okay?" You can just say, "Yes, thanks."
That's good to know. Shopping in English isn't scary anymore.
Now, let's go to the pharmacy. Pretend you have a headache.
Okay, I have a headache. What should I say?
Walk up to the counter and say, "I have a headache. Can you recommend something?"
That's easy. Let me try. At the pharmacy counter. Hello, I have a headache. Can you recommend something? Of course. These pain relievers work well. Take one every 6 hours. How much is it? $7.99. I'll take it. Thank you.
Perfect. You also learned how to ask for medicine. And if you have a cold, you can say, "I have a sore throat," or "I have a cough."
Got it. Sore throat, cough, headache. Very useful.
Next, let's practice public transportation. Imagine you need to take a bus to the city center.
Okay, what do I say to the bus driver?
You can say, "Does this bus go to the city center?" Or, "How much is a ticket to the city center?"
Does this bus go to the city center?
Perfect. Let's find a bus. At the bus stop.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. The fare is $2.50.
Here you go.
Take a seat. I'll call out the stop.
Thank you.
Well done. You can also ask, how many stops until the city center? Or, what time is the last bus?
Those are great phrases. I'll write them down.
Now let's go to the park. Small talk is important. You might meet someone and want to be friendly.
What should I say?
You can say, nice weather today, isn't it? Or, do you come here often?
Nice weather today, isn't it? That's easy.
At the park, they see a person walking a dog.
Excuse me, cute dog. What's his name? Thanks. His name is Max. How old is he? He's 3 years old.
That's wonderful. Have a nice day. See, you just had a real conversation. You asked about the dog's name and age. Very natural.
I feel so proud of myself.
Wanna watch a movie? This is another great place to practice English.
Yes. What do I say at the ticket counter?
You say, 1 ticket for movie name, please. Then they might ask, what time? You say, the 7 p.m. show, please.
1 ticket for the new action movie, please.
Perfect. Let's try. At the movie theater.
Hello. 1 ticket for the new action movie, please. What time? The 7 p.m. show, please. That's $12.50. Would you like any snacks? Yes. Can I get a small popcorn and a medium soda? Sure. That'll be $18 total. Here you go. Enjoy the movie.
You even ordered snacks. You're getting really good, Mike.
Thanks to you, Emma. I'm not afraid to speak anymore.
For our final lesson, let's go to a real restaurant with a waiter. This is a little different from fast food.
What's different?
A waiter comes to your table. They will say, welcome. Can I get you something to drink? Then later, are you ready to order? And after eating, can I get you dessert?
Okay, let me try.
At the restaurant.
Welcome. Can I get you something to drink? Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please. Sure. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please. Excellent choice. Would you like soup or salad with that? Salad, please. Great. I'll be right back with your food. After eating. How was everything? It was delicious, thank you. Can I get you dessert? No, thank you. Just the check, please. Here you are. Take your time. Emma, this was the best lesson. I used so many new phrases. I'd like, how was everything, just the check, please.
You're amazing, Mike. You've learned fast food, cafe, grocery store, pharmacy, bus, park, movie theater, and now a real restaurant. You can go anywhere in an English-speaking country. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you for everything. You're very welcome. And remember, practice every day. Even talking to yourself at home helps. I will. See you next time? Of course. Next time, let's go to a bank. I'll teach you how to open an account. I can't wait. Bye for now. Bye, Mike. Keep up the great work.